STIHL electric saws offer the convenience of chainsaw with no emission and with low noise. It is useful for noise-sensitive home yards and limited work on a firewood depot. Very quiet motor and starting lockout for safety. Automatic overload cutout to protect the machine. Ematic system reduces chain oil consumption by up to 50%. Quick chain tension adjuster. STIHL Quick Stop Super Inertia Chain Brake to shorten chain stopping time for added safety. Working with STIHL electric saw is very easy and the cutting surface will be smooth and uniform. Vibration is very minimum.